Well, Alex, I was just standing in the kitchen and, looking at the shelves.
Oh, really? What were you checking exactly?
Actually, I realized that we're almost out of groceries.
I kind of felt that too, but I wasn't completely sure.
I mean, the fridge looks pretty empty right now.
Yeah, now that you say it, I remember the milk was almost finished.
Exactly. And there are barely any vegetables left.
That's not great, especially if we want to cook later.
So, well, I was thinking, maybe we should go shopping today.
Today sounds fine to me, honestly.
If we go now, the store won't be too crowded.
That's true, I really dislike shopping in crowds.
Same here, it just feels stressful.
Going earlier always makes things easier.
We can also walk there, since the weather seems okay.
Yeah, walking would actually be nice.
But before that, we should probably make a list.
Definitely. Otherwise, we'll forget important things.
I always forget something when I don't write it down.
Me too, especially basic items.
All right then, let's get ready.
Okay, let's start with the list.
Okay, so well, let's sit down and make the list properly.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do it calmly.
First of all, we definitely need milk.
Right? And bread as well.
Yes, bread is a must.
What about eggs? Do we have enough?
No, actually, we're almost out of eggs.
All right, I'll add eggs to the list.
We also need fruits like apples and bananas,
True, we haven't had fruit in a while.
and some vegetables for cooking dinner.
Maybe tomatoes, onions, and peppers.
That sounds good to me.
Should we buy some leafy greens too?
Yeah, let's get some spinach.
Okay, I'm writing everything down.
Do you think we need rice or pasta?
Maybe just pasta for now. Anything else you can think of?
Maybe some snacks, but not too many.
Got it, the list is ready.
Well, the weather is actually quite pleasant today.
Yeah, it feels nice and fresh outside.
I'm glad we decided to walk instead of driving.
Same here, walking feels relaxing.
It kind of clears my head, you know?
I feel the same way, especially after a long day.
The street isn't very busy either.
Yeah, it's pretty calm right now.
Do you usually enjoy grocery shopping?
Honestly, not always, but today feels different.
I think going together makes it better.
Yeah, it feels less like a chore.
By the way, do you want to stop by the bakery later?
Maybe fresh bread sounds tempting.
We'll see how tired we are after shopping.
That's fair, no need to rush.
The store is just around the corner now.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Let's grab a basket instead of a trolley.
Good idea. We're not buying too much. All right, here we are. Let's go inside.
Wow, the store looks quite calm today.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this quiet.
That already makes me feel relaxed.
Same here, no loud noise or rush.
Let's start with the produce section.
Sure, everything looks fresh here.
These tomatoes look really good.
Yeah, and the peppers are nicely priced.
I'll put some tomatoes in the basket.
I'll grab the peppers and onions.
Don't forget the spinach.
Right, thanks for reminding me.
We're doing well sticking to the list.
Yeah, no impulse buying so far.
Let's move to the dairy section now.
Okay, I'll get the milk.
And I'll check the eggs.
Do we need cheese as well?
Maybe just a small pack.
All right, add it to the basket.
Let's head to the checkout soon.
Sounds good.
I think we found everything we needed.
Yeah, the basket is full but manageable.
The queue doesn't look too long.
That's a relief, honestly.
I hate waiting in long lines.
Same here, it gets boring quickly.
Did you bring the reusable bags?
Yes, they're in my backpack.
Oh, good. That saves some money.
And it's better for the environment.
The cashier seems quite friendly.
Yeah, that makes the process nicer.
Our turn is almost here.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I think we managed, to get everything on our list.
That's great to hear.
The store was quite calm today, which was nice.
Yes, it's a bit quieter than usual.
I really appreciate that. Shopping feels easier this way.
I'm glad to hear that.
We brought our own reusable bags.
Perfect, I'll skip the plastic bags then.
Thank you, that helps a lot.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card, please.
All right, you can tap your card here.
Okay, it's done.
Great. The payment went through.
Awesome, thanks.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too, take care.
Well, that went smoother than I expected.
Yeah, the whole trip felt easy.
The bags are a bit heavy, though.
True, but we can take it slow.
I'm glad we didn't rush ourselves.
Same here, it felt relaxed.
The air outside feels nice again.
Yeah, it's refreshing after being indoors.
I'm already thinking about cooking dinner.
Me too, the vegetables look fresh.
I'm happy we stuck to the list.
Yeah, no unnecessary spending.
My arms might get tired soon.
We can switch bags if you want.
Thanks, that helps.
No problem at all.
Home doesn't feel too far now.
Yeah, we're almost there.
I'm looking forward to sitting down.
Same here, maybe with some tea.
That sounds perfect.
Let's have some juice.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, thanks. We're looking for something refreshing.
Yes, something light and not too sweet, if possible.
Sure, we have fresh orange, mango, and mixed berry juice.
The mixed berry sounds nice.
Yeah, that does sound good.
Would you like it with sugar or without sugar?
Without sugar for me, please.
Same here, no sugar.
All right, 2 mixed berry juices, no sugar.
Could we get them cold with a little ice?
Of course, no problem.
What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
I'll take a medium.
A medium for me too, please.
Great choice.
How long will it take?
Just a couple of minutes.
That's perfect.
We'll wait here then.
The total will be on the screen.
I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Your juices will be ready shortly.
Wow, this place feels really calm and cozy.
Yeah, it's nice to finally sit down and relax a bit.
I didn't realize how tired I was until we stopped.
Same here. Walking around really drains your energy.
I'm glad we decided to get some juice.
Me too, it feels refreshing already.
The cold juice feels so good after walking.
Yeah, it's exactly what I needed right now.
I like how quiet it is in here.
Me too, it's not crowded at all.
It's nice to just sit and talk without rushing.
Honestly, moments like this make the day better.
I could sit here for a while.
Same, but we should probably head home soon.
Yeah, just a few more minutes.
Agreed. Let's enjoy this break.
This was a good idea.
Definitely, I'm glad we stopped.
Finally, we're back home.
Honestly, it feels so comfortable here.
Let's put the groceries away first.
Yeah, that's better than leaving them out.
I'll start with the pantry items.
Okay, I'll handle the fridge.
Everything fits nicely on the shelves.
Yeah, the fridge looks full again.
That's such a satisfying feeling.
It really is.
I'm glad we went shopping today.
Me too, it was productive.
Now, we don't have to worry about food.
Exactly, that's a relief.
I think we deserve a short break now.
Definitely, my feet are a bit tired.
Let's make some tea.
Good idea, I'll put the kettle on.
We can relax for a while.
And maybe watch something later.
That sounds lovely.
A perfect end to the day.